So in here, for those of you who aren't aware of it, the way work in progress works is where I have a document in my search, I click on edit, it will then turn that document red, create a new version of it, make sure that everyone is aware I'm working on it, and it will put it into my work in progress as another version. So if I've got 4 or 5 documents that I'm working on over a course of 4 or 5 days, I can come in here and I can pick them straight up from here rather than having to go to search for them individually. Now, that's how work in progress should work. But what happens, or used to happen in practice, is where people especially with spreadsheets, the virtual cabinet viewer is great for PDFs and TIFFs and quick looking at Word documents and so on. What it's not brilliant at is Excel spreadsheets. So where you've got multiple tabs, or you've got graphs, or you've got things like that, or slightly complicated spreadsheets effectively, the viewer kind of compresses them, makes them pretty horrendous to look at. So what a lot of people do, and this will be happening a lot across your business, and if you need us to write work in progress reports to see who is and who isn't doing this, please, again, just get in touch. It's 5 seconds work for us, and it will make your lives a lot easier. What we can do instead is we can set it so that certain types of documents automatically open in their native viewer. So rather than having to go right click, edit on a spreadsheet to get it to open in Excel, looking at it, realizing it's the wrong one, closing it down, and then adding something to my work in progress increasing list, what we can do is we can make it force VC not to use the viewer for Excel and just double click to open, and it'll open in Excel. Very, very, very quick. Each individual user has a method of what you use the built-in viewer for. Change that from all documents to no documents or images only, and it will then solve that problem immediately. If you're a bigger client and you need that done company-wide, just call us and we can update it in the database and everything will be automatically rolled out. But again, if there are people suffering in silence with that one, doing that will make their lives much, much easier.